Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have construction in the sand. We've got a whole bunch of bulldozers. We have a cat bulldozer. We have a matchbox on a mission bulldozer. And we even have Avalanche, the bulldozer who's a storm jumper from Planes Fire and Rescue. Oh no! We're covering up toys. I wonder if we can find them. We're gonna help you. We're gonna get you out. Yay, he's free! We've got a problem, guys. We've heard that there are toys hidden under all this sand. They need help. They need rescue. It's time for Planes, Fire and Rescue and my friends to help them out. Let's start digging. Woo! Thanks, guys, for saving me! What is it? Wow! It's a dinosaur! Look who we found! We found Mater! Woo! Thank you for saving me, everybody! Ooh, this sand is really deep! Wow, we found another one. Look, it's a pig. Oink, 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 oink. Wow, it's an army vehicle. There's still one missing. We need to find the last one. Woohoo, we're ready. Matchbox on a mission. Avalanche, come on. Oh, sorry, that's right. I've got to help look. Hey, I found it. It's a monkey. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.